Hi, my name is Rondi Pottinger. Thanks for joining me on the Save Jamaica channel. It's been a long time. I've been producing films for the past 15 years. I'm producing a series of films now called Land of Wood and Water, a collection of all the footage I've had over the years. I want you to enjoy them, share them with your family, and support me. At the end of this film, you could click on the link, subscribe, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell. That will give you email when I upload new films. So this is part 1 of Land of Wood and Water. Look out for other series. Again, thank you for your support. Please send your support. Thank you so much.
What's life are made of? So beautiful. Live and enjoy it. That's how we should. Mothers are crying, yeah. Children too. Fathers are dying. Blood's on the streets. Whoa, whoa, where's the love? Where's the love? Justice and peace. Oh, oh, where's the love? Where's the love? Justice and peace. Children no longer living in peace, nor in hopes, nor with dreams. They are living misery. Whoa, whoa, where's the love? Where's the love? Justice and peace. Whoa, whoa, where's the love? Where's the love? Justice and peace. You know what's life are made of? It is so beautiful. Let's live and enjoy it as how we should. People are dying, yeah. Children too. Whoa, whoa, where's the love? Where's the love? Justice and peace. Whoa, whoa, where's the love?
A dog over this one.
No, we are right before you have a process of vehicles. We just have a right now and take that piece of land,
A dog over there.
Some coconut tree, you never get to get them.
Okay, I want to go on now.
Lexus and Benz, a them carry the girl them want pose in the front. No one a lot of them rather a under. The Panaja rider sent base me a head for. Tap a KFC and get some chicks because the girls them looking nice. Oh, and the girls them feeling it. Lexus and Benz, a them carry the girl them want pose in the front. No one a lot of them rather drive in a under. The Panaja rider sent base man a head for. Yeah, big up to Jamaica. Yeah man, a yard with it. Yard, you know, from way back in Manchester. Say it, go on.
Tell me about the beach.
Yeah?
How long you there?
Well, a long time me born and grow here, so I know that. Long time now, me can't tell you how long, but a long time, you see me? Yeah.
So your wife is?
What? No.
So this is your living? You catch fish and sell them?
No. Only same fish.
You only steal it? And you cook it too, right? You must can cook fish good then?
Yeah, I'm a good cook.
Okay. What kind of fish in Jamaica you catch yourself?
Really, you catch yellowtail, you catch goatfish, you catch doctor, you catch parrot, you catch wenchman, you catch all kind of fish, my brother. So I say, all kind of fish you catch in the sea water. Sometimes you catch some fish and not even know how they name. But we know say fish then. So I say, yeah.
What are your favorite fish?
Well, my favorite fish, you know, are doctor and wenchman, you know. And them fish that give back his stamina in a day. So I say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you cook them now?
Well, you can fry them and bounce through them down and you can steam them. Very nice. And you can roast them too. You know, you have 3 types of ways you can do them, isn't it?
So you eat fish every day?
Yeah, man, you know, feed for fish, you know. It's a very seldom 1 or 2 times I eat a couple fish, you know. But me a man, me a meat man, that's what I say.
Okay.
When I look from the far, I see them youth here. But I know see them youth here star. Them no need no war. them no need no scar. Them won't go need for par. Them no need no war. Them no need no scar. Them won't go need for par. So me tell them say, visit them youth with a brighter tomorrow. We need to pave the way. Pave the way. We can't sit down and wait till tomorrow. We need to brave today. Brave today. We can't beg and go sell out tomorrow. We need to save today. Save today, we can't left them in a pain and sorrow. Them need a brighter day, them need a brighter day. So make we pave the way for a brighter day, for a brighter day. We have to pave the way for a brighter day. So me tell them say pave the way for a brighter day. So me tell them say pave the way for a brighter day. So me tell them say them a youth and need no protection. Them a youth and need loving and affection. Them never come here so fi face no rejection. Them never come here for no choice, no election. We need to lead them in the right direction. Show them the loving so them come to perfection. Don't watch them face no face or complexion. Them a youth with future protection. Them a the leader for the new generation. Which generation we are talking on the next one? So right now them no need no detection. Yo, no segregation. Pave the way for a brighter day, for a brighter day. We have to pave the way for a brighter day. So me tell them say pave the way for a brighter day, for a brighter day. We have to pave the way for a brighter day. So me tell them say can't blame the youth, we can't blame the youth, we can't blame the youth when them all load and a trouble. We can't blame the youth.
So today like grass car.
Today is a beautiful day, man. Nice vibes, you know. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, the sun wake up just like how I wake up, you know. But all around I
Remember, I'll get up and go to the river. I feel like we get your part in the river.
Yeah, right at the falls, you know. Very fresh. I thought about fresh water coming from the street. Man, it was great, man, and then we head out on the road. Pick up man and get some breakfast. Then we not run our bay area now, but you know, do a nice to go filming and thing, and we're leaving out the Runner Bay area now, so this is right at the square of Runner Bay, turning up on the hill to Brownstown, you know, so we expect a very comfortable drive.
St. John's, Bob Marley Town.
Yeah, St. John's, you know.
Another great's coming out of St. Anne's right now.
Yeah, another main history, not just another history, another main history. Because this is historical fact about reggae music and the island and a whole, you know. Yeah, this is main history. Just survey the cross and find it. One way I look for where you know can produce the type of art you're looking for, you know. So these things are really special. Blessed love. Aye.
Sing over that for me, Rascal.
Alright?
Sing over that for me.
Sing it over.
So pretty could you come, let me lick it till it's done. Lick it till it's done. And only making sure that yard is alright.
Man, shoot, man. Drive yourself, drive. Alright, so we are reaching Mandeville.
Blessed, yeah, man.
Alright,
then. On that, you know.
Where we are going now? Where we are going?
We are going to Brownstone now, you know. Going up the hills, you know, the cool hills of St. Anne's, in Brownstone. Near Bob Marley area, you know, because Bob Marley is from like up in 9 Mile, Alexandria and them place there. So I know I go near them ends, but I know I go turn off on the way to Mandeville. Yeah. So, you know, blessed love on the trad, you know. And I just want this because I don't trad without the guidance of His Majesty, you know. Because really I don't do nothing without the Father, you know. I just want full love, you know. And I give thanks and glad when the eyes will them boy, they upon a spiritual work, you know. Because I work with spiritual, edified, you know, gloriful, you know. Direct with spiritual work where you know so that boy, and I deal with the healing of the soul, righteously from your talk, you know. Yeah, because when you have a clean hands and a pure in heart, you know, you plan to live on and on. Yeah. Because, you know, for your heart clean, then you couldn't meditate wickedness, your hands couldn't put to wickedness for your heart clean, you know. And that's a clean thing, for your heart and meditate cleanliness. And that's a straight righteousness. Powers.
Manchester, they were going up. They will come from
yeah.
So in Manchester there goes a man. In the chest of a man there goes a heart.
Yeah. Flat Manchester.
Great man from Manchester. And to talk about the Manchester, you know, about a great man with themselves higher than a man. Yeah. And I see myself an angel of the Almighty, you know. Yes, so we have to live as I am.
So you go edify Manchester now.
Yeah.
Bob, edify St. Anne, you have to go edify Manchester.
Yeah, man.
And so we link up and so we have to do this.
Yeah, man.
Don't keep no truth to this.
Yeah, man, it's reality, man.
Spirituality.
Spirituality.
Crank it up, Wingy. Yeah. King Wingy.
Yeah, man, blessed love, man.
Crank up the volume.
Yeah, you know when they say Wingy, you say King. Yeah, original King Wingy.
Love that tune, I see me like how you play the European piece.
Disturbance through the world. Disturbance, it's scam music. Disturbance through the world. Disturbance, it's scam music. Some of them are play it this way. Some of them are play it that way. I play it my way. It's my way. See the newborn baby, now wrap up in a swaddling clothes. See the new.
What else?
Yeah.